This is Davinci Resolve, and the question is how to move the timeline to the left and to the right here on the Edit tab. The first method to move it to the left or to the right is this one. Simply left click on this bar and you can move it to the left and to the right. Another one, using also the mouse, is to push down the scroll wheel of your mouse. Scroll wheel, or with another word, the middle button of your mouse here on an empty area, for example, and you can drag the timeline to the left and to the right. And you can use also the keyboard. You have to press the Ctrl Shift and the left and right arrows. So Ctrl Shift left arrow moves everything to the right. So left arrow pulls it to the right. Ctrl Shift right arrow pulls everything to the left. That is, you are looking to the left by pushing the left arrow, and you are looking to the right with Ctrl Shift and right. Ctrl Shift left, Ctrl Shift right. And it's not going further, of course, than the beginning. So if I push it a few times, it's not going to go anywhere else.